These smothered pork chops are so tender and easy. Let me show you how I make them.
On top of a bed of rice, olive oil, diced onions, or sliced onions, not diced. Let they get hot. Here's some sliced white mushrooms. I don't know how many. I like a lot of mushrooms, so a lot of mushrooms. And a teaspoon of garlic, minced garlic, some black peppercorn. I'm not adding salt because salt can be added later. Let these mushrooms shrink down a little bit. They release a lot of like liquid from them. If it gets too dry, I'll add some more olive oil. Keep mixing it around so your garlic don't burn. Now, we're wanting this yumminess to get a little toasty, but not too well done. Like, not done like, hey, let's put it on the plate and eat it. Because we're not done with this. We're just prepping this here. And last night, I don't know what I made for dinner. But anyway, my husband was like, no, we didn't buy ice cream and he wanted dessert. And I'm like, give me a minute. So I came in the kitchen and in 5 minutes I whipped him up a dessert. Do you want to see it? I can show it to you here in a minute. While I'm not burning garlic. I'll take these off. And I know you're going to say, hey, Terry, those aren't done. I know they're not done yet. They will be. Keep watching. It's going to be yummy. These are some pork sirloin rib chops, bone in. I'm gonna take them out of here, rinse them off, put them in some cold water. Now this, we're gonna add some black pepper. This is flour, just plain flour. Crushed black peppercorn and some Creole seasoning. We're using Tony's today because that's what I have right here open. Needs to be used up anyway. Tony. Here we go. And put jab in. We're just dredging this with the flour. We're not heavy frying. These are lightly pan fried, basically. Let me turn the grease on. Yeah, we're just pan frying these. Just need to get that to get hot enough after I put that in there. I missed a step. Make the pan hot if you're ready to go straight from flour pot or pan or whatever. I'm using a cast iron skillet, but yeah, have the pan hot. I think only two is gonna fit in mine, maybe three. We'll see. Let's find out. While I'm talking about not preheating things properly, let's go ahead and turn our oven on. First, let's make sure there's nothing in there. Okay, let's turn our oven on 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Let's get going. Toss these in there gently. Yeah. We've got this on a medium high, and we're just wanting these to brown. And then we're gonna flip them and then brown. They're not gonna be all the way done yet, and that's okay. Flip them over. The other side just the same. Take these off. They're not done. I need you. We're gonna put on this wire rack out here and cook the last two pork chops, and then we'll move on. Okay, we're done. So really quick, I need 3 cups of water. Let's go ahead and turn this down to a medium. That's 2 cups. A little bit more. 3 cups of water. Because I'm using packaged brown gravy, and I need for each packet 1 cup of water. So here we go. 3 cups of water. Pour that in there. And then we're just gonna whisk this. It's on medium. I'm gonna get everything nice and good together. And I'm not making this into full straight up huge gravy. No. Because all of this is gonna go in the oven. That's why it's preheating. It still looks a little runny, but you know what? That's okay. So let's go ahead and turn it off. And let's make our, any kind of dish that goes in the oven well. I'm using a Pyrex dish today. Here we go. So I have this like this so that all that grease that you see in the bottom of that pan, maybe you can see it, maybe you can't, isn't in here. I mean, there's still gonna be some, not all of it. I'm gonna stack these in here. Onions and mushrooms. Yes, right on top. We need gravy. Here we go. No, it's not all the way gravified yet, but it will be because it's going in the oven. Yumminess. Look at that. That looks amazing already. And it's not even done. My goodness. Now I'm going to pop this in the oven at 350 degrees until done. If you want to be technical, 170 degrees for well done pork. They're very thin pork chops. Doesn't take long. Quick, easy, weeknight meal. Let's start with 30 minutes and see where we're at. Here's the moment of truth. Yummy.
Thank y'all so much for watching. Please like and subscribe if you want to. And keep watching because I've always got something new coming up.